Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor X6 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin on this device. To do it, you just need to open Gallery, and for example here I have photos and videos in my gallery. Now I will remove it, delete. And how we can recover it? Do you just open albums, and here you will see recently deleted folder. So you need to swipe down if you don't see it on the main screen, and here you will see all your removed photos and videos. So now choose photo you want to recover. To do it, just click and hold on it, choose several photos if you want, and click restore. Go back, find photos here, and as you can see here we have our removed photos and videos. But if you want to recover your photos, you need to remember that all your deleted photos and videos will be stored in trash bin during 30 days after removing, because after 30 days your photos and videos will be permanently removed from your device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.